What's up, tribe? It's your boy Dridnock. I'm always seeing the videos about like make free AI stuff here, and every time you go there, it's not free. You start seeing prices like these, to do like you get a free like monthly thing where 800 credits. That's like one video, maybe two if you're lucky, maybe a picture or two. Like you don't get like anything on the free stuff for the most part. 20 credits, up to two videos. And these are like 7-second videos. All these different places, all these videos that are telling you how to do it, and they say free, and none of them actually mean free. They mean a free trial or a free, bit of credits each month. Well, I got something for you today. If you would like to know how to at least create free images, 100% free, you don't pay a thing, I got one for you today. perchance.org/AI-cartoon-generator. If you go here, here's my prompt I put in. 5 fluffy white rabbits holding colorful Easter baskets and playing in a beautiful pasture on a sunny summer day. Generate these. And as you can see, you can generate up to 9 images at a time. You got different art styles you can pick from: portrait, square, landscape. They've got a negative prompt right here you can put in, and here's your descriptive prompt. Follows prompts pretty good. Can't really beat it, especially for 100% free people. I think they get that because they got ads that pop up all the time, so they can do it for free because you gotta see all the ads and everything on the screen. I'm not for sure. I'll put this link in the description. Stay tuned for my next video where I show you the program that I use every day to create images and videos for absolutely free. That being said, I'm going to leave you right there. War Boss out.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.